Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll do the part 6 of the same exercise 17.2. You can have a look at the previous videos. We already done some questions based on this exercise. So now we'll start with question number 20. The side of a rhombus is 25 centimeter and one diagonal is 40 centimeter. You have to find the area. So this is a rhombus here, these are the diagonals of it. So one diagonal, the size is given as 40 centimeter. You have to find the area. So D1, let us consider the diagonals as D1 and D2. So here D1 is 40 centimeter. So half of D1 is going to be this one. This total is 40. So half of that is going to be 20. So now let X be the half of D2. So now side of rhombus, that is given as 25 centimeter. So using the Pythagoras theorem, what we can do here, side square is D1 by 2 whole bracket square plus D2 by 2 whole bracket square. So because we are going to take only this one, suppose now we take one part of it. So this will be with this triangle. So the side square is going to be what? This will be, because this total part is 40. So this is going to be the half of it. So D1 by 2 whole bracket square plus D2 by 2 whole bracket square. So now here side is given as 25 square and this will be 20 square, for we know that this half of D1 is 20 and we don't know the D2. So this we have taken half of that as D2. So we can write here D2 by 2, that will be X square. So here 625 will be 400 plus X square. So 625, this goes there, that means going to be minus 400 is X square. So 225 is X square. So if we take squaring both sides, so X is going to be 15. So X is 15. So now D2 is what? That is the twice of this 15, because now here we are considered X was what? Half of D2. So now if we are taking D2, so that is going to be 2 into 15, that is going to be 30 centimeter. So now the area of rhombus, that is half D1 into D2, that is the product of the diagonals. So half, we got D1 we had, that is 40, and D2 is here we have, that is 30. So this is going to be 2 to 20 is so this will be 600 centimeters square. That is what they are asked for the area. ABCD is a rectangle. AB is 9. So BP is equal to PC is equal to 12. BP is equal to PC is equal to this both are 12. So QC is equal to 5. This part is 5 and RD, this part is 3. Find the area and the perimeter of the shaded region. So if this is 5, this part should be, DQ should be 4. How? Because this whole is 9. So this should be 4 plus 5, that is going to be 9. So now let us see this one where it is going to be useful when we need the perimeter. So we can look at this one at the last part of it. So now let us start with the area of we want the area of this shaded part, this part. So for this one, what we have to do, we have to take this rectangle area of this one. From that we have to subtract these 3 triangles. This one, this 2, and this one, the smaller one, 3. So what will you do? We'll go step by step. So now first thing, we are going to look for the area of the rectangle, that is the ABCD. So now this is ABCD, this is the rectangle. So AB is given as 9 and BC is given. So if we take this BC, so this will be 12 plus 12, that is going to be 24. So area of this rectangle will be what? This BC into this AB. So that will be 24 into 9. So that will be 216 centimeters square. Now let us see for this triangle ABP, in area of this triangle ABP, that will be half base into height. So this is the base of it and this is the height. So 12 into 9. So this will be 12 into 9. So this will be 6. So this is going to be 54 centimeter square. Now let us see for this triangle. Area of this triangle, that is PCQ, that is half into PC into QC. So PC here, this is the base and this is the height. So after putting the values 12 into 5, that is going to be 30 centimeter square. Now let us look at the smaller triangle, that is RDQ, that is half. This is the base of this and this is the height. And as I told you earlier, this will be 4. Why? Because this 5 plus 4 is going to be 9, because this side is 9. So this DQ is going to be 4 centimeter. So we can put here half into RD is 3 and DQ is 4. So here will be, we simplify this one, that is going to be 6 centimeter square. So we want the area of the, now we got this, we got this, we got this, and this, we got the area of this one. So we are going to subtract that one. So to find out the area of this shaded part. So the area of the shaded region is will be area of rectangle ABCD, this area of this rectangle ABCD. So from that we are going to subtract this three triangles over here. So minus this 3 triangles, we are going to either you write, put this in a bracket, or you write separately minus area of triangle ABP minus area of triangle PCQ minus area of triangle RDQ. Or you can write here minus once and then put this all, but here you have to write inside the addition sign. Whichever you feel easy, you can do it. So from this area of rectangle, you have to subtract all this one. So area of rectangle, we got this one as 216, and this we are going to subtract this and this one. So now this is already given subtraction outside sign, so inside we can just put a positive sign. So 54 plus 30 plus 6, so that will be 216 minus 90, that is going to be 126 centimeter square. So now we have to find this was for the area, we have to find the perimeter of the shaded region. So for this one, for the perimeter, what are we going to do? We can use this one and triangle this one ABP. Because we want this further, they have asked the perimeter of the shaded region and not this perimeter. So we need this side, we need this side, we need this side. And this side we know easily because this is 24. So out of that, this is 3 means this part is going to be 21. But these 3 sides, to find out these 3 sides, what we have to do, first thing we have to find out this side means we have to take the area of the triangle, that is with the help of the Pythagoras theorem, we know the base and this one, so we'll get this one. Same for here, we know this side and this side, so we'll get here. For this one, we know this and this side, so we'll get this one. So we have to use this long process. So to find the perimeter of shaded region in triangle ABP, BP square plus this one, AB square is equal to AP square. So that will be, you will just put the values 12 square plus 9 square, that is AP square. 144 plus 81 is equal to AP square. So this is going to be 225 is equal to AP square. So AP is going to be, when you take the square root of this one, that is going to be 15. 15 into 15 is 225. So we have done with this ABP. So that is 15. This side is 15. So now let us see for the next triangle. In triangle PCQ, that is PC square plus CQ square, that is PQ square. So PC is 12, that square of it. CQ is 5, we have to take the square of it, and we have to find out this PQ. So 144, 12 square is 144, this will be 25. So when you add this, that is going to be 169. So when you take the square root of this, that is going, PQ is going to be 13 into 13, that is 169. So we have done with this one. So this is 13 centimeter. Now we'll go for this triangle. So again here in RDQ, RD square plus DQ square is equal to RQ square. So this is 3 square plus 4 square is equal to RQ square. This is going to be 9, 16. So this, when you add this, this is going to be 25. So when you take the square root of this, that is RQ is going to be 5 centimeter. So perimeter of this shaded region is going to be, you are going to add this all sides, 15 plus 13 plus 5. And this one, as I told you, this should be 21 because we know this total, this is 24. So 21 plus 3. And this shaded part is just 21 here. So we will going to add this one, 21 and all this. So when you add this all, that is going to be 54 centimeter. Now find the area of perimeter of figure ABCD where angle B is equal to 90 degree and angle DAC, this is 90 degree, AB is equal to 6, this AB is 6, BC is equal to 8, this BC is 8, and DA is equal to 24, this DA is equal to 24. We have to find the area and the perimeter of this ABCD. So now what will you do here to find the area? We'll take this triangle first because we'll find out for this separate, then for this separate, and then now see here in triangle ABC, here what is there? This is the, for this triangle, this is the base and this is the height. BC square plus AB square will be AC square. Because why we are doing this one? Because we should know first this AC. Because here you know only this side, so you should know this AC. So if you know these two sides, so then this side is easy. So now with this one, we can find out the perimeter of it. So here, so this will be 64 plus 36, that is AC square. So this will be 100 is equal to AC square. So root of this one, that is going to be AC, will be 10 centimeter. So this AC is going to be 10 centimeter. Then in triangle DAC, what we can see, this AC square plus this AD square, that is going to be this DC square. So 10 square plus 24 square, that is DC square. So this is going to be 100 plus this 576, that is DC square. So when you add this one, that is going to be 676 will be DC square. So DC will be, when you take the square root here, that is going to be 26 centimeter. So you got this DC as 26 centimeter. So now what we are going to do, first thing we are going to find the area of the ABCD. This area we are going to find out. That is, in that we have two triangles in that. So we have to take area of the triangle ABC plus area of the triangle DAC. So what will be that this area of this one? So this will be half base into height. So this will be the half base into height, means 8 into 6 plus here for DAC same. This is the base and this is the height of it. So what we can write here, 10 into this. This will be the 10 into 24. So here 2 ones are, 2 fours are. Again here 2 ones are, 2 fives are. So this is separate. So this is going to be 24. And when we take this, because there is a plus sign in between, 24 into 5, that is going to be 120. When you add this, that is going to be 144 centimeter square. Now we want the perimeter of ABCD. So ABCD means the perimeter means this side plus this side plus this side plus this side. You just add it 6 plus 8 plus here you got this one as DC was 26. This was 26 and this 24. When you add all this 4, so you get 64 centimeter. In the quadrilateral PQRS, PQ is 18 centimeter. Then QR is 24. Angle Q is equal to, this is 90 degree and ST is the perpendicular bisector of PR. This ST we'll put here. This T over here is the perpendicular bisector of this PR. So if ST is 8 centimeter, find the area and the perimeter of PQRS. We have to find out the area and the perimeter of this one. So now here this, because now here, see here, these both are equal. So here what we can do, we can say PT also is equal to TR. So in triangle PQR, if we take this one PQR, this triangle, so this is the base, QR square plus this PQ square is going to be PR square. So now what will you do here? This will be 24 square plus 18 square, that is going to be PR square. So 24 square is going to be 576, 18 square 324 is PR square. So when you add this, that will be 900 is PR square. So PR is going to be 30 centimeter. So this whole thing is going to be 30, means PT is going to be 15 and this from TR also is going to be 15 because it is an equal distance. So PT is equal to TR is 15 centimeter. So now we'll take STP. This one, STP, this triangle. So in this one, this is the hypotenuse and this is the base and this is the height. So what will you do? PT square plus ST square is equal to SP square. This is the hypotenuse of it. So this is the, so what will be that? PT is 15, ST is 8 and SP square. So here will be 225 Square of this will be 64 and SP square will be as it is. So this will be 289 is equal to SP square when you take the square root of both sides. So SP is going to be 17 into 17 is 289. So that's 17 centimeter. So if SP is 17 means SR also should be 17, because see SP is 17, so SR also should be 17, because you can see this is equal given, because this means it says that this is equal to this one. So now let us find the perimeter of PQRS. So PQRS means you are going to add this plus this plus this plus this one. So now you got all this one. So what will be that? PQ plus QR plus SR plus SP, that will be 18 plus 24 plus 17 plus 17. You can have a look at this one. We already done. So that will be 76 centimeter. Now we got the perimeter, area of this one PQRS. So area of this one PQRS means this triangle plus this one. We have to add it that areas of that one. So PQR means half into base into height, and this PRS means half into base into height. So your base for PQR is 24 and this is the height, and for this one the base is going to be this one, that is the PR, and this is the height of it, that will be 8. So that is what is written here, that will be 30 into 8 for this one, because 30 is the base of it. So here 2 ones are 2 12s are, and here 2 ones are 2 15s are. So this is one part. So what will be that? 12 18s are, that will be 216, and this is the other part. 15 8s are 120. So that is going to be 336 centimeters square. So here we can see a kite shown in the adjoining figure is made of a special paper that costs 80 paise per square centimeter. If BD is equal to 6 centimeter, AO is equal to 4 centimeter, and CO is equal to 8 centimeter, find the cost of making the kite. So here this BD is given as 6 centimeter. So what we can see, this BO will be 3 and this is going to be 3. That DO is going to be 3. So now let us take this triangle first. This is the ADC. So in this we can see again 2 more triangles. So ADC is going to be, we'll see this, that is going to be AOD plus this will be COD. So now you can see this is a right triangle. So that will be half base into height. So half into this base is 3 into height 4. So this is given here. And again for this one, this base is here 3 and this the height is 8. So this is here. So AOD plus COD. So now 2 ones are 2 2s are, 2 ones are 2 4s are. So this part is going to be 6 and this is going to be 12. So this will be 18. So same thing, if this is 18, this total is 18. So this also should be 18. So now we can write here angle. This will be ADC, that is 18. So area of this kite is total one, that will be 18 plus 18, that is going to be 36 centimeter square. So now it is given a cost of 1 square centimeter, that is 80 paise. So that the cost of 36 square centimeter, that is going to be 36 into 80, that will be 2880, sorry, that is paise when you multiply this one. But then if you convert it to rupees, so what will be that? 100 paise is 1 rupee. So 2880 paise will be how much? So 2880 divided by 100. So that is going to be 28.80 rupees. Area of parallelogram PQRS is 120 centimeter square and PQ is 10 centimeter, PS is 15 centimeter and PT is perpendicular to QR. Find the length of PT and QT. So now here what you can see here, now this one, this PQRS, this is 120 centimeter square, this PQ is 10 centimeter and this PS, this is 15 centimeter. And this is given here, PT is perpendicular to this QR. So we have to find the length of PT. So now we will do one thing. This is 15. So this part also, this QR also should be 15. So now when we take this one, this is perpendicular, PT is perpendicular to QR. So this one we can say area of triangle PQRS, that will be base into height. So now will be base is QR and this is the height. So PQRS is given as 120. So below this we are going to write here 120. Base is 15 and the height is, we don't know, that is PT. So if we take this 15 on this side, this is going to get divided and this is PT. So 15 ones are 15 eights are, so PT is 8 centimeter. Then we'll take here now, what did they say? We got this PT, now we want QT. This QT means this one. So now we will see this triangle first. Now we know this is PT, we got as 8. So now we want for this QT. So now this is very easy. Now here, this is a right angle triangle. So this is going to be in angle PQ. QT square plus PT square, that is PQ square. So QT square plus this is going to be 8, that is going to be 8 square is 10 square. So QT square plus this will be 64 is going to be 100. So QT square will be 100 minus plus 64 will become minus 64. So QT square will be 36. So QT is going to be, if we square both the sides, so that is going to be 6 centimeter. So by this one we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of other parts. Thank you.